Hey, so I just want to jump on here and talk about the Bank of Canada announcement today, just to shed a little bit of light on what's going on there. It's a good update today. There's been no rate increase. We have just dealt with 8 consecutive rate increases starting on March 2nd, 2022. So it's quite literally been a year of battling and increasing costs. Hopefully this is a bit of a light at the end of the tunnel for anyone that is in a variable or line of credit product. Obviously, everyone's been dealing with affordability issues. Increasing costs quite dramatically. Hopefully we're near the top, if not at the top of interest rates. Only time will tell, but this is a step in the right direction for sure. For anyone in a variable or line of credit, no changes to your product, no changes to your interest costs or your payments. Obviously great news there. We are expecting and anticipating a bit of an uptick from this in our local market anyways. The reason being is there's been a lot of buyers, investors, first-time buyers that have been on the fence about purchasing just because of what's been going on with interest rates. Historically, if we are at or close to the top of interest rates, that probably means that we're very, very close to the bottom of property values, which in theory means that it would be a great time to jump off the fence and start looking at purchasing a property. And even if you haven't been through the motions, it's a great time to get pre-approved, get your ducks in a row and just pay attention. Another big kind of consideration here is anyone that is dealing with a renewal, right? So obviously the variable and line of credit borrowers have seen a major impact in payments. Another consideration are people that are coming up for renewal in the next 4 to 12 months. It's a good time to start a conversation with your mortgage broker if you haven't already. We're seeing people that were in 2.5% interest rates and they're being offered rates at 5.8 or 5.9, and it's a pretty massive impact on your payment. Don't hesitate to reach out to us or your broker. Make sure that you have a good handle on what's to come, and there are ways to mitigate payment shock. Reach out with any questions. It's free to chat with us. Good news here, good news today. Hopefully this is the path that we continue on, and we'll be sure to keep everyone updated and let us know if you have any questions.